Contestants not appearing on stage will receive a camera. Just point and shoot with Vivitar's PS35 camera. Autofocus, auto exposure, automatic film loading, beautiful 35mm photographs from Vivitar. And AT&T long distance gift certificate. The gift that lets people stay close to faraway family and friends. Also, Harvest Savor Dehydrator. Preserves delicious fruits and vegetables, makes rich, creamy yogurt, grows salad sprouts, and makes fruit roll-ups for Vitamix. Now here's Bob Barker with our Showcase Showdown.
If you were watching the first Showcase Showdown, you saw a contestant get $1 on this wheel, and you know what happened. $1,000 prize if you get the $1 in one spin or a combination of two spins, and then the contestant receives a bonus spin if the wheel stops on one of the green sections in the bonus spin, $5,000 more. If the wheel stops on the $1 in the bonus spin, $10,000 more for a total of $11,000 as he tripped over the carpet. Now, Mary, Charles, and Mark, you must keep in mind that the one of you who is nearest to $1 without going over will be in the showcase. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Then, Mary, step over there and spin that wheel. Mary, Mary, Mary came close, but maybe 80 cents. 80 cents? Are you going to spin again? Now, if you go over $1 total, you're out of the game. Yes. I didn't want to just drag her away from there, but I thought the odds were against her doing very well, spinning on 80 cents. Although one time I had a contestant spin who had 75 cents. They got the quarter and won the dollar. Yes, go ahead, spin, and try to beat the 80 cents. Look out. Look out. 15 cents. Spin it again. Spin it one more time. 15 cents in your first spin. Trying to beat 80 cents. What is that? $1.05. You've gone over. What's going on? There's no beep, so the audience is doing it? Well, that's wonderful. I don't know whether you at home realize what happened. You see, the beeper is not working on the wheel. We had a little problem with the wheel, and so this audience, thoughtful people that they are sitting out there. And they're covering for us. Make that sound again. Beep, 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 beep. See? That's very good. That's very good. All right, Mark, you have your spin now. You know, I'll tell you one thing. We get some of the nicest people in the world here, and some of the most weird people, too. Go ahead. Spin, Mark. There they go. Sounds like a flock of birds of some sort, like geese or something. They are even slowing down, that's right. Oh, can you believe it? They have a tie. I'm going to have to listen to that again. Because you don't want to spin again, do you? You want to spin off. All right, over here you go. One spin, Mary. There, somebody's warming up. Go. We're not going to have to pay them for sound effects, are we? I wasn't watching. Did that go all the way around? Now, get that all the way around. Come on here. Mary, you have 65 cents. Back you go. There you go. Mark. He spun it so hard. They're getting very good. Now listen, you see they start slowing down? They're beginning to feel it. It'll never be the same without them. 65 cents is what he's trying to beat. And you win. You have 80 cents. You're going to be in the showcase immediately following this announcement.